What is food? Food is something that living things take in to live and to grow. Where does food come from? Most of our food comes from plants or animals. Food from plants. A lot of our food comes from plants. We eat different plant parts as food. The grains and dals that we eat like rice, wheat, jawar, tur are seeds of the plants. The leafy vegetables that we eat like spinach, methi are leaves of the plant. Fruits and vegetables are all fruits of the plants. We eat stems like ginger and potato. We eat roots like carrot and beetroot. Some plants have two or more edible, known as eatable parts. We use mustard seeds for oil and leaves as vegetables. Some plants have two or more edible, known as eatable parts. We eat the fruit of a banana. Some people eat the flower too. What did we just learn? Food gives our body nutrition to repair itself and grow. A lot of our food comes from plants. We eat a lot of different plant parts as food. Food from animals. Some animals like chicken, goats, sheep, fish, etc. are eaten directly for their meat. The milk of some animals such as cows, buffaloes, goats, etc. is used as food. The milk can be drunk directly or it can be processed into dairy products like cheese, butter, etc. We eat the eggs of some birds like hens and ducks. Bees take nectar from flowers and convert it into honey. That is actually the food of bees. Since bees can make honey only during the flower season, they store the honey in their hives for use all through the year. What did we just learn? Some of our food comes from animals. Some animals are directly eaten as meat. Eggs, milk, honey are things made by animals that we eat. Food. Other food sources. There are things like salt that come neither from plants nor animals. Mushroom are also considered to be fungus, neither plants nor animals. Water is an important part of our food. It comes neither from plants nor animals. Food. Diets of people. People who eat meat are called non-vegetarian. People who don't eat meat are called vegetarians. Vegetarians eat plant food and even things that are made from milk like butter, cheese, ghee, etc. There are some people who eat only things that come from plants, such as people are called vegans. Vegans don't even have milk products as they come from animals. All three diets, vegetarian, non-vegetarian or vegan, can provide all necessary nutrients for the body. Some people wrongly think that vegan or vegetarian diets don't give the body what it needs. However, that's not true. What did we just learn? Non-vegetarians eat meat and food from animals. Vegetarians don't eat meat, but they do have dairy products. Vegans don't eat any food that comes from animals.